We are so busy in day-to-day life. We don't get enough time to exercise our mind and body. We need all-in-one course, and Surya Namaskar Sun Salutation is the answer. Namaste everyone, my name is Poonam. Welcome to Ratna Studio.
Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a practice in yoga, as this exercise is a sequence of some 12 gracefully linked asanas. The asana sequence originated in the Hatha Yoga tradition on Vedic period. Nowadays, people use this sequence as a warm-up exercise, but using as a warm-up is not a full justice to this ancient practice. This is an exercise which contributes to mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. So this is a complete set of practice. You don't need anything before or after. I'm going to take you through how to perform this all 12 steps of this traditional yoga. You can do slowly or faster according to your own body. Start with slow and gradually you can increase your speed. But as a beginner, don't repeat this sequence for more than 4 to 5 times in one practice. Breathing is very important part of this sequence. Just make sure to always move to the next pose on the correct breath. Deep inhalation, bring yourself to the front edge of your mat in mountain pose or Tadasana with your hands in Anjali Mudra at your heart center. Exhale. This is traditionally where you might stop and set an intention for your practice if you choose to. Inhale as you raise your head slightly backward and draw your shoulders back. Make your back as flat as possible. Then exhale. Release your arms for forward bend. Touching your toes with your fingertips. You might have to bend your legs by your knees. Holding your ankles from back. Bringing your nose towards your knees for forward fold. In your next inhalation, bringing your right leg behind, placing your both hands fingertips on the ground, moving forward by your heart center. Look up, opening your heart for all knowingness. Exhale, plant your palm and step or jump back in downward facing dog or Adho Mukha. You should be look like an inverted V. Your crown of the head hanging downwards. You might place your heels on the ground too for deeper stretch in your hamstring. As you start inhalation, keep your elbows tucked in and your hips lifted as you bring your chest and chin on the ground. Retain your breath. Make sure your pelvis and legs are firmly rooted to the floor as you lift your chest. Look forward or try to look as high as you can. Bhujanga Asana is excellent asana for your lower back and it gives you very beautiful stretch in all abdomen muscles. Downward facing dog or Adho Mukha. Keep your toes pointed towards the front of your mat and sink your heels towards the floor. Exhale. Your head is hanging towards the earth again. Relax here for one breath. Inhale, you are moving forward with your left foot. Your hands are framing your left foot. Move you forward by your heart center, chin up. Exhale to fold yourself once again. Your feet together, hands holding your ankles, nose going towards your knees. Down to earth. Inhale, raise your body once again, bending backward. Look up with fresh energy, power in your body. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti, back to neutral. Let's repeat this asana at your own pace. You can repeat 4 to 5 times as a beginner. If you're advanced yogi, it's up to you. When you are ready to perform this asana, feel the power or energy of sun in your mind, in your body, the vibrant, radiant energy running around you, running inside you. All the negative energy left your mind, left your body. Your mind is revitalized, your body is rejuvenated. Feel the power of sun in your body. All the negative energy burnt. Feeling that you're fully protected with fire element. Your heart is full with love and compassion. There is no hatred. You are ready to face every challenge in your life. You are ready to see this world with your new eyes. You are peaceful. You are relaxed. You are rejuvenated. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your family and your friends. I will bring more variation in sun salutation next time.